Greetings from the black holes of Dakota Territory, United States of Advertising. Stan Gibilisco here with audio test number 2. By the way, what you're looking at is something I believe they call the Cat's Eye Nebula. You can download it from Great Images in NASA and use it as your wallpaper. What I'm using right now is a Microsoft Surface Pro 2 with an external boom headset earphone combination by Logitech. So let's just cut right to the chase and do audio test number 2. All you got to do is just listen to me. Listen in particular for hum, hiss, excessive articulation noises, that is too much of a high frequency response, things like that. And I will try to remember to leave comments open because this particular unit leaves comments closed by default. I'll have to remember to open them when I upload the file. If I do happen to forget to open the comments in one of these files, just email me with your response and tell me how it sounds. One of the things I don't particularly like about this audio is that every little sniffle, every little cough, every little crackle of my salivary glands seems to pop through and become quite noticeable, probably because of an excessive high frequency response. But now I'm perhaps prejudicing your opinion. I'm aiming eventually at getting more professional videos, although on YouTube professionalism isn't really a great requirement. By the way, these green thingies here represent my ham radio call letters. W1 GV Whiskey 1 Good Vibrations, which I acquired in Newington, Connecticut when I worked for ARRL headquarters, the radio ham headquarters of the world, of the universe, and other universes besides. And of course, what you're looking at here is just a sort of a dummy diagram. Transceiver, feed line, and antenna sending CQ or some other such thing. CQ, da di da di da da di da, da di da di da da di da, DEW1 GV, da di 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 da da di da 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 di. I can never get that V straight in my voice imitation. Dit 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 da. So for now, I guess you've heard enough audio here for this test. And that's all it is, a test to get your opinion so I can try to make these audios sound as good as possible. I did get a comment to the effect that some of them are distorted, but this is not the computer on which that occurred. But eventually I'll go there. I think I just had the gain turned up too high on that one. But we shall see. For now, 73, which means best regards in ham radio jargon. And so long. Di-da-da-da, di-da.